In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the transparency of an image in Google Slides, a skill that can really enhance your presentations by allowing you to make images blend more subtly into the background or to layer multiple images creatively. First, you'll need to make your way over to Google Slides. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in Google Slides, and then selecting the link from your search results. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your Google account. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the features and capabilities that Google Slides has to offer. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you will be presented with the option to either start a new blank presentation or choose a ready-made template. Click on blank presentation if you want to start from scratch, or select one of the templates if you prefer something with a bit of preset structure. Either way, you'll soon be on the editing screen where you can work your magic with slides. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is insert the image you wish to adjust. You can do this by either dragging and dropping an image from your computer, or by using the insert image function in Google Slides, choosing the image you want from your files or even from the web. Once your image is in place, ensure it's selected by clicking on it directly. You'll notice various options appear once the image is selected, but what we're interested in is the Format menu. The Format option is typically found in the top menu bar. Click on it and then look for Format options in the drop-down menu that appears. Go ahead and click on Format Options, which will open a panel on the right side of your screen showing additional settings. Take a look through these options and you will find adjustments. Expanding this section will reveal sliders for brightness and contrast, but for changing how see-through your image is, we're heading to opacity. Click on opacity and you'll see a slider which allows you to adjust the level of transparency for your image. The slider starts at 100%, meaning the image is completely opaque. By moving the slider to the left, you reduce the opacity, effectively making the image more transparent. Experiment here until you find the perfect level that suits your presentation needs, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the opacity of any picture in your Google Slides, adding a more professional and polished look to your work. This technique can be particularly useful for creating layered backgrounds, emphasis, or when you want text laid over an image to be more readable, given the reduced opacity allows for text to stand out effectively. Thanks for joining this tutorial and happy presenting.